Hello and welcome back to my channel. Since it's Nutrition Month, we're going to make a healthy and delicious dish. A salad would be nice. We are going to make a potato salad. So let's go and make it. Step 1. Prepare all the ingredients. Potatoes, eggs, carrot, garlic, celery, mayonnaise. You can add these if you want. Chia seeds, shredded chicken, lettuce, black olives. Step 2. Boil the eggs. While waiting for the eggs, we can proceed to Step 3. I've already washed the vegetables earlier, so I'll proceed to cutting the potatoes, carrots, celery, and garlic. Cut the potatoes into big cubes, while the carrots and celery into smaller ones. Step 4. Boil the potatoes. You can blanch the carrots and celery, but I prefer it fresh. While waiting for the potatoes, we can proceed to Step 5. Mince the garlic. Combine the mayonnaise and minced garlic in a bowl and set aside. Step 6. Once the eggs are boiled and has already cooled down, peel the shells and cut into quarters and set aside. Step 7. Now that the potatoes are soft, we can now combine it together in a bowl with the sliced carrots, celery, eggs, shredded chicken, and the dressing we made earlier. Step 8. Finish it off with some garnish you have. I'm going to put some chia seeds, but this is optional. And now we are done. Did you know that potatoes contain lots of nutrients? It is a good source of potassium, folate, iron, high in fiber, and vitamin C. Eggs and chicken are a good source of protein. Carrot and celery are a good source of fiber and are rich in vitamins. Chia seed are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, iron, and calcium.